Guys, this is the abandoned remains of Camp Shepherd. This was a summer camp that operated up until the 1990s, I believe. Nowadays it's completely empty and nobody's here. It is a park in Smithfield, Rhode Island, so you can come and explore the remains. So we can go take a look and see what we can find over here. But this looks like it was some kind of a stage, and we're gonna go check out this building up here next. Stay tuned, and the full exploration of Camp Shepherd will be linked in the related videos below.